Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Sam FX channel. As you can see, this is the .os new version 5.0.1 GApps version. As you can see, this is based on Android 11. Just recently got this update. Let me show you what all the changelogs we got in this video. Let's begin this video. This is the quick settings panel. As you can see, it's working fine even in the dark mode, and even this is the always on display. As you can see, it's working fine. If you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button and also allow the notifications by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. And this all the changelogs you see in this video. Now coming to first changelog, there is added notch bar killer and hide notch feature. Let me show you. Let me go to display settings, and here in the icon display cutout, as you can see, they have added this notch bar killer and hide notch. These features are added in this build 5.0.1 of the .os for Redmi Note 7 Pro, as you can see, and added bass booster for Dirac sound system. I mean, in the system highlight parts, as you can see, this is like Me Sound Enhancer, choose a preset. Bass booster is added. The new preset is added in the highlight parts. Brought back all thermal configs. Even this is a hardware level, like you need to install the app to maintain the thermal config. There is a terminal emulator. From there you can change this thermal configs like this. This are the new changelogs. And coming to other changelog, as you can see, embed custom audio policy and fixed echo issue on voice over internet calls. Fixed volume call control center control related issues, and improved vibration strength control and stability. And while calling, there was an echo that has been fixed in this ROM. You can make it calls. I have removed sim to make this video, but I have observed there is no echo such things in this ROM. You can make calls. That bug has been fixed, and there is no call recording feature as of now in this ROM. And this is the volume control panel. They have changed it based on the new .os style. And this is the quick settings panel, and even the flashlight is maintained well. White bright light was coming, that has been fixed. And improved vibration strength control and torch brightness control, as I shown you, and replaced gallery 2 with simple gallery. Okay, the gallery app has been also updated in this ROM. Let me show you. And this is how the dark theme you can see. This is how it works. And this is the retro music app is also added. And as you can see, there are themes option and manage included folders, excluded folders, and you can sort based on your time, change date and time format. I mean, the sorting, you can find the files easily, and file thumbnail style, folder thumbnail style, lots of options available. As you can see, this is the update has been updated in this ROM. The gallery app is replaced, and even the Google Camera Go is pre-built in this ROM. As you can see, if you want, you can use Arno Gcam 7.4 or even 8.1 or the 8.2 new one. It's working fine. Or you can use it simple Google Go Camera, which is pre-installed in this ROM. As you can see, these are the changelog. As you can see, as I said, updated pre-builds Camera Go and retro music, as I said. And that's all in this video, guys. These are the changes they have added. And coming to safety net test, let me check out. Let me recheck. showing failed for some reason, I don't know. And let me check Play Store, is it certified or not. For some reason it's showing, and this is the new style of Play Store. And as you can see, device is certified, but why it's showing as failed in that safety net test, I don't know. Do comment down below why it is showing. And this is how the ROM is, and it's working fine. I'm using it last 20 hours, it's fine. And this is the customization, it's as it is and little bit smoother. I explained in the older video, do check out here. There are some bugs in the customization also, that has been also fixed in this ROM. This is very good ROM, different than other ROMs. Most of the people like this kind of ROMs. And coming to Geekbench scores, as you can see, this is the Geekbench score for this. DotOS 5.0.1 for Redmi Note 7 Pro. It's very good ROM, using as a daily data, and there are lots of wallpapers is as also added. As you can see, DotOS wallpapers, some LineageOS wallpapers, lots of wallpapers are also pre-installed in this ROM. You can use it as a daily data, no problem in this ROM. It's working fine, no problem. And if you like this video, give it a like, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. That's it all guys in this video. Let's meet you in this another video. Bye bye, take care.